Welcome to the world of power-packed machines. From roaring chainsaws to beastly forestry machines, we're diving deep into the heart of forestry. Let's go. That massive beech is no match for the MS-660. With its 91.6 cubic centimeter engine and 7.1 horsepower, this saw chews through hardwood like butter. The 28-inch bar will make quick work of that trunk, but remember to watch for kickback. A beast like that can bind up unexpectedly.
Da steht's Wasser.
The century-old home succumbed to the inexorable force of nature as a massive tree, its roots deeply intertwined with the earth for over 100 years, finally toppled, its immense weight crushing the structure beneath. Have you ever watched a monster truck plow through a muddy forest? Now that's a wild adventure. These drivers take on insanely slick trails, using incredible heavy-duty gear. It's a true showcase of skill and an absolute blast to see. The Moorbark 40/36 is a powerhouse in the biomass industry. Powered by a Cat C 27 engine delivering over 800 horsepower, it drives the 16-knife Advantage 3 drum with the power of a chainsaw. It consistently produces 3/8-inch chips, regardless of the material fed into it. The extra wide-in feed easily takes in whole trees, and the hydraulic system ensures smooth operation. Built tough with AR 450 steel on the drum skin, it's designed for long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. This machine is a true workhorse. Picture a seamless dance of steel and wood. The LogMax 10,000 XT harvester head, a masterpiece of strength and precision, moves effortlessly through the forest. Its top saw hums with efficiency, while 5 blades craft each log with expert skill. This isn't just a machine, it's a natural powerhouse. Sometimes DIY projects turn out amazing, but most of the time, they're a disaster. My heart skipped a beat when the cable snapped, sending the truck plummeting. What amazed me even more, though, was that despite the terrifying fall, the truck came out unscathed, as if divine hands had softened its descent. It truly felt like a miracle. this is truly impressive to us. But if the skidder's owner spots this, the driver might end up with a new job. All right, everyone, let's discuss this tree. It's a disaster waiting to happen, right? No one dares to get close, and for good reason. But this guy, he steps forward. He recognizes the danger, he knows the stakes, but he understands that someone has to take action. It's like defusing a bomb, only the bomb is a massive, unstable tree. Talk about sheer bravery. This guy is truly deserving of a medal. Picture a machine that consumes trees like a ravenous giant. Meet the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000 all-road, a true powerhouse. Equipped with a mighty Volvo engine, this self-propelled chipper turns entire forests into piles of wood chips in record time. Its enormous opening, 1,400 by 1,100 millimeters, effortlessly devours whole trees, leaving behind nothing but a trail of fresh, fragrant sawdust. Check out this engineering wonder in the video below. Wow, that's a ton of stuff back there. Is that even allowed? Seriously, man, take 2 trips. It's not worth the risk. Plywood production is a detailed process that demands skill and accuracy. Logs are cut and delivered to mills, where they're peeled into thin veneers. The veneers are dried to precise moisture levels, then arranged in a cross-grained pattern with adhesive for enhanced strength. Heat and pressure are applied to activate the adhesive and bind the layers. Finally, the plywood panels are sanded, trimmed, and thoroughly inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. The AS900's robust chassis and powerful engine make it an ideal platform for heavy timber transport. Its streamlined design, reminiscent of a modern coach bus, ensures optimal aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The Moorbark 1100 revolutionizes waste processing with its Cat C 18600 horsepower engine and MrTech 318 clutch system. Its 24-hammer rotor, running at 2,000 RPM, processes up to 200 cubic yards per hour using 2-inch screens. This machine is a game changer in waste management. Prince George in central British Columbia serves as a key center for logging. The area's lodgepole pine forests are harvested with advanced machinery like the Tiger Cat LH855C harvester, which features a leveling system for steep terrain and a high-capacity delimbing head. These technologies maximize efficiency while adhering to sustainable forestry practices to minimize environmental impact. The Mack R600, a powerful workhorse known for its hauling capacity, was tasked with transporting timber alongside a D5 tractor in the rugged terrain of Honduras. However, the truck, burdened by its heavy load, encountered an obstacle in the form of a steep incline, leading to a temporary standstill. Without a doubt, this is the most impressive video I've seen that highlights the bond between humans and animals. In such tough terrain, horses are clearly the best option for timber hauling. Their strength, agility, and incredible teamwork with humans shine through. This is hands down the most captivating video I've watched today. The tree ultimately determines the direction in which it will fall. Need a chipper that can tackle tough jobs? Check out the R150 Standard. Built to last with a sturdy design and equipped with Remit CNC technology for precise cuts, it's made for long-term reliability. The overload protection ensures smooth operation, and you can boost productivity with add-ons like a flywheel and conveyor belt. Whether you need lengthwise or sideways discharge, this chipper has the flexibility to meet your requirements. If you're in the market for a high-performance and reliable feller buncher, the John Deere 859M is an excellent choice. Its 9.0-liter engine packs 330 horsepower, offering smooth and effective felling and bunching. With an extended boom reach of 8.49 meters, it maximizes your coverage area, while the strong tractive effort provides stability on tough terrains. The roomy cab features floor-to-ceiling windows and ergonomic controls, boosting both comfort and visibility for the operator, leading to improved productivity. The Ritter R185 skidder easily handles tough hills with its 193 horsepower engine and responsive hydrostatic drive. Its wet disc brakes and electro-hydraulic differential lock offer excellent traction and control, while ensuring operator safety and comfort. Calm, controlled cutting. Taking some dead wood out of this big oak tree. The John Deere 2954D harvester performs exceptionally well in tough conditions. Powered by a 9.0-liter engine that meets Tier 4 final emission standards, it delivers 271 horsepower for heavy-duty tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system and Timbermatic H16 control system guarantee accurate boom movements and efficient processing. The optional Intelligent Boom Control, IBC, adds even more precision and reduces operator fatigue. This machine is a crucial asset for any forestry operation. I've been in the logging business my entire life and have been involved with every extraction method known, but never I seen this method. If it's feasible, it's very effective. No damage with roads or small timber at all, and allows for percent select harvest. Phew, that was a fortunate day for a DIY project. Wow, just wow. This log cutting stand is absolutely incredible. I'm amazed at how effortlessly it streamlines the entire process. The straightforward design and user-friendly setup, it's pure genius. Your support fuels our creative fire. Ever wrestled with a log? You think you've got it figured out? Then bam! The log throws you a curveball. It's a constant reminder to stay humble, to respect the power of nature. One thing's for sure, you never get bored bucking logs. All right, let's get serious about tree work for a minute. This isn't a game, folks. You're dealing with heights, heavy machinery, and forces of nature that demand respect. One mistake, and the consequences can be severe.
To remove. As you can see, I dug out all around. You can see where the roots are.
This tree has a story to tell. Five years ago, it was cut down, but look at it, still hanging on. It took a whole team with heavy equipment to finally get it out. It makes you realize how powerful nature truly is.
Right here. This is the one I cut off.
You might think I'm exaggerating, but trust me. These drivers are facing the ultimate test. It's a wild ride, and you won't believe what happens next. The tree posed a serious safety hazard due to fire damage and instability, overhanging the road with a high risk of collapse. Immediate removal was necessary to prevent injury or fatality.
Roman candle.
Grey box, an Australian hardwood with a dense 1,100 kilograms per cubic meter, is tough to process. Yet the Bandit 21 XP chipper handles it with ease, thanks to its powerful cutting and wide throat, producing a steady flow of chips. Decades of growth have made them extraordinarily dense and heavy. Cutting them down demands precision, and loading the logs calls for immense power. Just look at the excavator straining to lift those massive trunks onto the truck. But wait, who's driving for this job? Oh no, not him. That grade is no joke. You can practically see the torque converter on that R600 begging for mercy. But that's where the D5 shines. Raw pushing power. Stump removal can be a hassle. While grinding or burning is slow and messy, an excavator with a stump shear offers a faster, cleaner solution, leaving your site clear and ready for your next project. Uh-oh, looks like we've got a saw bind. That's not good. The best thing to do is power down and step away. Safety is everyone's responsibility. The 240- dangle tracked harvester is a game changer. Weighing 50,000 pounds, it excels on tough terrain with over 1.3 to 1 drawbar pull. Designed by forestry pros, it features the Icon electro-hydraulic system for precise control and dual swing drive motors for continuous rotation and 50,787 foot-pounds of swing torque. You ever feel stuck in the mud? Well, this Caterpillar DR6 is here to tell you to never give up. With the right push, you can conquer any obstacle. Feel that power. An oversight in securing the rope has led to a series of unfortunate events. Creating a major challenge for everyone involved. That tree crashed down, but the helmet took the hit. Never skip safety gear. It's not a game. Respect nature's power and protect yourself. This isn't your grandpa's stump grinder. We're talking industrial-grade power here. This machine obliterates stumps, pulverizing root systems with surgical precision. The high-capacity hopper ensures maximum efficiency, turning those stubborn stumps into usable mulch in record time. Imagine the suspense. That tree, a silent giant, leaning for years. And then these heroes arrive. The crowd holds their breath, the chainsaws roar, and in a moment of pure adrenaline, it's down. The Foley bell saw, A14, with its 48-inch blade, embodies true craftsmanship. Hear the hum, smell the sawdust. It's more than a tool. It's a window to an era of skill and quality. San Rosendo, a key town in southern Chile, is essential to the forestry sector. As a transportation hub, it ensures smooth timber flow and supports the supply chain. Whoa, that was a close one. See how that saw got stuck? Dead trees are tricky. They're brittle and can snap in unexpected ways. Looks like he should have wedged it earlier. But gotta love his honesty in sharing this. We all make mistakes, right? The Cambio 800 isn't just any debarker. With a 795mm capacity, triangular feed for better grip, and carbide-tipped tools powered by compressed air, it delivers a clean peel. Its 75-kilowatt rotor motor drives 120 meters per minute, redefining heavy-duty debarking. Ever heard, "Don't cut the branch you're sitting on"? It's about not making things worse for yourself.
Jump!
This guy, he learned that lesson the hard way.
You clear?
Yeah, I'm good.
The custom Stump splitter utilizes a high-torque hydraulic system for optimal cutting performance. Its compact design allows for maneuverability in tight spaces, while the operator-friendly controls ensure precision and efficiency. This is insane. The Savannah model of 1720 is a total game changer. I've never seen land cleared this fast. 20 to 40 acres a day? Boom! You gotta see this video. It's mind-blowing. The MrTech PT 600 stands out in land clearing with a 600 horsepower engine and intelligent hydraulics for maximum efficiency. Its agile design and advanced cooling tackle any challenge, from dense brush to invasive species. Whoa, hold on a second. Did you see that? This guy's defying gravity. I mean, come on, walking on treetops? That's not something you see every day. This, folks, is the pinnacle of logging technology. We're looking at the Timber Pro TB830, equipped with the cutting-edge TDS22 head. It's a marvel of engineering, designed for peak efficiency and minimal environmental impact. As Todd Mihalko himself attested, this machine redefines forestry executed the cut with precision, prioritizing the outcome over the process. This was a personal endeavor, and the success lay in achieving the desired result without incurring any collateral damage. Check out this giant machine. It's like a forest lawnmower. It's revolutionizing timber harvesting. Fast, efficient, and precise. Share your thoughts in the comments. Ever wrestled with a stubborn stump? Not fun, right? This Woodland Mills WG24 makes it a breeze. Hook it up to your Coyote CK2610, toss on a rear view camera, and boom, you're in control. Picture the LKT-82 navigating rugged Italian forests, hauling timber with human-like determination. A true testament to the machine's grit and its operator's spirit.
Nom de Dieu.
Felling a tree of this size requires careful planning, assessing lean, environment, and making precise cuts for control. Safety is key at every step, from climbing to clearing the fall zone, ensuring a successful felling. Land clearing demands efficiency. Opting for a mid-sized excavator like the Deere, 135D optimizes stump removal. This approach saves time and labor, making the process smoother. Plus, let's face it, a little demolition is always satisfying. What a ride! From chainsaws to skidders, we've seen it all today. Don't miss out on the next episode. Subscribe and stay updated on all things forestry. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.